If you're a content creator, if you are my follower and you're a content creator, I want you to listen to this. If you are facing low views, low engagement, or maybe your earnings stop, your followers stop coming, engagement stop, anything. If you are facing any kind of problem at all in your page, guys, I want you to do this. Just screenshot the your that is your profile page, that your profile. Just screenshot it, that your page profile. Screenshot it. You take just copy the link of that your page. Copy your page link. Go to ChatGPT. When you go to ChatGPT, just right there, analyze this page. What is causing what may be the cause of low views, low engagement, or my earning stop. If your earning stop, that is if your earning stop, or just anything. Just ChatGPT operate like the same way like Google. Many of you are not making use of ChatGPT, guys. It helps a lot. ChatGPT operate like Google, guys. So if you are facing any issue with your page, just copy your page link. You can take screenshot of your page, that profile. Take screenshot, or maybe your last video. You can just take screenshot of it. Go to ChatGPT. Analyze this page. Tell me the problem of this page and give me the solution. Just write that. You paste everything that has to do with your page. Your the screenshot you take, the page link, the page name. Even if you don't copy the link, just paste the page name, just the screenshot and the page name. ChatGPT will analyze everything and tell you the problem of that your page. Make use of ChatGPT from today. It happened to me, guys. It happens to me. One of my page will stop earning, so I had to take it to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT what may be the cause of this. And the thing, see, ChatGPT just analyze everything to me. So when I solve the problem, immediately the thing pick up again that same day. So guys, I advise you, if you are my follower, if you are watching this video right now, start making use of ChatGPT. It works like the same way like Google. Ask any question, just take any problem to ChatGPT. It's going to analyze it and solve it for you and show you the solution. Do this. If your profile is bad, it will tell you, okay, your profile is bad. If your bio is bad, okay, this is what you're supposed to use on your bio. This is, see, it's very, very important. And I want to put something again to you guys. If you have your monetization, if any of you have monetization and you don't have anybody to activate it for you, you can actually just chat me up. I have somebody that the same person that monetized my first account, second account before I'm able to learn it now, which I can monetize it on my own, but I'm not still trying that. I'm still pushing it to someone to do it. So I have somebody, very trusted person, that can do that for you, guys. Don't go and click it. Don't think it's that easy. It's not that easy, guys. I thought before it was that easy, but though it's easy when you know it, when you learn it first time, second time. Even if some people are very sharp, they can even learn it first time. So when you learn the first time, it can be very easy for you. But don't think it's that easy. It's only when you just go and click that active and start filling the form. Don't go and make any mistake, guys. So if you have your monetization set up, if you have that set up, just chat me up. If you don't have anybody to set it up for you, then I will direct you to somebody that knows better how to set it up for you guys. So I should let you guys know. Thank you, guys, and may God bless you, and I will see you in my next video.